Okay, walking in the back here and looking around. See a lot of deer prints here. Walking through and around. I'm going to try to get that pond back here where I've seen footprints before back here. Let's go through here. If anybody's in the area and they want to get together with me, I'll be glad to take you out and show you things in a couple areas, especially this area here. I've seen so many things back here. Let me see the way these crisscross here. They're individual pieces coming down. Don't see any footprints or anything, but we'll see. There's the pond. It's like almost dried up. Something's walking in here. You can see how it's all pushed up here and there. Walking right down through here. Right there, and you can see a little stick thing over here. How they piled it up. Looks like a footprint could be here with the heel and the foot part over here. And the trees are down here. But sticks don't fall like that. You can see something over here. Slid from here to here. Maybe I'm looking at it wrong. Could be the heel part over here and then the toes up here. All I see is one though. Up in that area over there is where I had that Bigfoot. He's about 10 foot tall. Walk on that ridge up there from back there. I'm not gonna stay out here too long because I gotta ride my bike. I don't want to stay out here too long. I just wanted to check it out. Let's see what goes back here. I haven't been back here in a while. You can see that structure there again. Well, I don't know if you've heard that, but I heard something in this area here. Sounds like a crack or something. Something breaking or I head back, and starting to get a little late to be back here. Pretty interesting stuff that I've seen today. There's a three-toed deer print. That's strange. Another one here, three toes. 1, 2, 3. Never seen a three-toed deer print before. Where it come from? Nothing here. There's a little one here. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Three-toed deer print. Super quiet back here. You hear a little bit of thunder, not thunder, but rumble from a jet going over, but he's in the distance. You hear me walking. Interesting structure right here. Well, there's branches right here like that. Bent over here, bent over trees there. And this is like place right there like that. Branches don't fall like that. Branches don't fall like that. Oh. And get back and I'll come back here another day. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. And I'm going to go back and give presents to my Bigfoot family in my #1 research area. It's not here where I'm at now, it's another one. And give them presents or, little gifts for Christmas. Christmas Eve, I do it every year. And see if they give me anything in return. Not that I'm looking for, but they usually do. So that's what I'll do tomorrow. Another tree here, still intact, just bent down to there. A lot of strange things happen back here. What the heck happened? There's my bike, people. I thought I heard noises up in this area over here. I don't see any footprints. Maybe one here. I don't see anything. if you're here, I guess thank you. You didn't ruin my bike. Looks like something may have walked up through there. The leaves are all rolled up like. I don't see any prints out here on the gravel. Some deer prints, that's it. I see nothing. You know, I hear motorcycles coming. So I'm gonna head out. Thank you all. Check out my stuff. Man, light out. Thank you.